Hi, I'm five-star chef Barbie Marshall. I'm in the kitchen of Milk and Honey Market in West Philadelphia. And today I'm going to do an easy marinated pork chop recipe for you. I got this recipe from a friend of mine, and I'm just going to take some garlic slices, some pepper, season both sides of my meat with the pepper and garlic. And then I'm going to use a little bit of olive brine. Next time you go to your favorite Greek deli for olives, ask them to dip you out a little bit of the olive juice with it. This is a great way to season your meat quickly. It only needs about 5 minutes on your pork chop for it to taste just like it was marinated overnight. So, after we let this meat rest for about 5 minutes, what we'll do is saute it, or grill if you want, in a hot pan. While our meat's searing, I'm gonna make a quick sauce. I have some garlic and some herbs here, some mint, some cilantro, and some parsley. And to it, I'm gonna add a little red wine vinegar and just a few flecks of crushed pepper. And I'll finish it with some olive oil and some pepper. You want to sear your pork chops on both sides for about 3 minutes per side for a 3/4 inch chop. Now that you have your pork chop perfectly seared, just allow it to rest a little. That way, the juices are evenly distributed, and then you can top with your chimichurri. I'm five-star chef Barbie Marshall in the kitchen of Milk and Honey Market in West Philly. And this is an easy marinated pork chop recipe.